everyone, my name is Niputu Heludiantasya, NPM 244111075. I'm here to do a business math video assessment about demand function. Course syllabus 2. Number 1, demand function, and number 2, demand function curve. What the demand function? The demand function is the relationship between price and the quantity of goods demanded by consumers. The demand function will show an inverse or inverse relationship. Demand is defined as the quantity of goods that consumers want to buy with possible price and at a certain time. Demand areas when buyers have a desire to purchase goods and services with the ability to pay for them. The law of demand, the rise and fall of price will determine demand. Factor of demand function. The factors that influence demand include: number 1, price of goods or service. Number 2, price of other goods. Number 3, income levels of the society. Number 4, income distribution. Number 5, consumer preference. Forecast about future conditions. Educational objective. Number 1, students can understand the demand function and demand curve in economics and business. Number 2, students can solve problems related to the demand function in economics and business. Types of demand function. There are 2 types of demand function. Number 1, based on the quantity demand, individual demand and market demand. Number 2, based on purchase power, effective demand, potential demand, and absolute demand. The formula for the demand function. This example. The demand curve depicts the relationship between the quantity of goods offered against the price of the goods. The demand curve moves from the upper left to the lower right and vice versa. It illustrates an inverse relationship between demand and price. This is example. Given A equals 4, B equals 2, and P 10. Calculate the quantity of goods demand. Demand function QD equals A min B P equals 4 min 2P equals 4 min 2 10 equals 16. So at the price of 10, the quantity of goods demanded is min 16. Here is the demand curve in a graph with the demand function. Conclusion. The demand function formula is closely related to the quantity of good or service demand and the price. The demand function also indicates the quantity of goods or service with other influencing factor. Number 2, in economics, demand represents the relationship between the quantity of commodity that producers want to sell at various price and the quantity that consumers want to buy. The demand formula is commonly used for price determination. The price of goods or service is determined by market demand. Okay guys, that's all I can say about this material about mathematics business. Thank you.